name is Sam Oremba. I play left wing, and I'm from Regina, Saskatchewan. If I could play with any hockey player, I'd got to choose Connor McDavid. Not only is he super fast, he can make really good plays. If I could learn one thing, I'd probably solve a Rubik's Cube. Because I can't solve even one side. Outside of hockey, I'd probably have to go with football. I'd cheer for the Dallas Cowboys. I've got to say one of my favorite things to do in my hometown is probably hang with my buddies. Probably have to go back to first year Pee Wee. Our team was in the final game for the championship and it went to overtime and we won it. So it was back-to-back championships. And no, I don't think pineapple belongs on pizza. Probably a brand new car. I'd say probably hit a home run. That's pretty far distance.